Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Geniuswigs once more, same packaging. So got a wig here. Let's see what else we got. So I got an extra elastic band, wig cap. I got some small rods. I have a headband here, and lastly an edge brush and comb. That's everything that came in the box. So for today's wig, we got a beautiful straight wig, straight texture wig here, and we're working with another gorgeous crystal lace front wig. So it's a 13x6 parting. So for the most part in the middle portion here is a 13x6 portion, and it's already pre-bleached and tinted. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. It feels so good. Like the construction of the wig looks so like quality. It looks like quality. Has an extra elastic band on the inside, and yeah, you guys know it comes pre-plucked. It's 20 inches long and 200% in density. I could definitely feel that. It's not super heavy, but you know, I can feel it. It's full to the tip of the hair. The luster is beautiful, and it's of a natural color, 1B. It feels really good. It feels really silky and nice, so I like that. But what I want to show you guys is the lace. So this is a crystal lace, and this specific one is very durable. So with wearing crystal lace, you know, it's a little bit more quality than the ordinary HD lace, so it can be a little bit more durable. It's stretchy and it's softer, so it's, you know, you can say it's a little bit more comfortable to wear. It can be reworn for multiple times. If you want to glue it down and then clean the glue off and then rewear it, you can go ahead and do so. So yeah, and I feel like, you know, the fact that it's already pre-bleached and tinted, that helps it to melt down in the hairline even better, making it look more realistic. So here I'm just showing you guys the difference between the two lace. I'm showing you a crystal lace, a sample of a crystal lace, and transparent lace. Crystal is the one we're working with today, and I don't know if you can tell, but the crystal lace melts down into the skin way more effortlessly. Transparent lace, I like it too, but crystal lace is just way more, like, you know, easier to blend in and melt down. So right here I'm actually showing you guys, I'm doing a comparison and showing you guys how durable the crystal lace can also be, and I put it up against the HD lace, and I'm doing like a stretch test. So I'm gonna stretch both of them, so you see where I'm stretching the crystal lace here. When I stretch the HD lace, it can easily like stretch to a hole, like you see here. But with the crystal lace, okay, so there is a hole, it creates a hole as well, but if you look closely, I'm not sure you can see closely, I wish the camera was picking it up better, but like the knots are still there, like it doesn't stretch into a definite hole. The knots are there, so therefore you can like repair it. It can be reformed. The hole in the HD lace cannot be. And then here I'm just showing you guys how scalp like the lace looks. As I said, it's pre-bleached and pre-tinted, so that looks really good. The hairline looks super natural and realistic, and you know, it's super breathable, as I said before, and that's just amazing. So even though it's so durable, it's still thin enough to just seep down into the skin and look super natural. So that's amazing.
Do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Proceeded to installing the wig here. I'm using my Got to Be spray for this installation today, and the more I proceeded with just using the adhesive and just pushing back the hair with the comb, I didn't want to do any swoops today. I just, you know, that's just the mood I developed. You guys know I love doing my 2 swoops, but you see it further down in the video. I love the hairline. The hairline looks super good. It's just amazing. And you guys know this is my favorite lace. Actually, I recommend this any day. So if you guys want to know what's the best lace in my book, a great Swiss lace. Okay, Swiss lace for the win. Crystal Swiss lace for the win. All day, every day. Yeah. So yeah, that's the one I think is the best. Like, hands down. And so to proceed to just make it melt down even more, I use my elastic band. Of course, I'm using my blow dryer on cool air, and after I'm done with that portion, then I cut away the excess lace. And as you can see, as I cut it, you can see to the very edge it lifts a little bit, so I go over that with a little bit of my got to be spray. And it's so easy to spray to lay down. Like with the blow dryer, it melts down like nothing, like it's seamless. So that's definitely a pro. And that's something I really love about the lace as well. Like once you use your adhesive and lay it down, like it doesn't leave like a harsh line in the front. And that's something that definitely made, like, really encouraged me to not do any swoops. I still did my sideburns. You really don't have to, but I wanted to do it. You don't have to. You could completely pull everything to the back. So I'm using my wax stick here along with my hot comb to just, you know, comb the hair back. And look at that. Look at that. The pre-pluck work, all of that, it looks so good. The customization is a 10 for me. I love it. Geniuswigs did an amazing job with the construction of this wig. Okay, the next thing I must definitely mention to you guys is, here you can see that I'm glam, but don't get it twisted. I did not have to apply any makeup onto the lace. You know, like in the past you have to apply a little makeup on the lace to camouflage it with your makeup. A thing that I've realized with me is that I actually don't like to apply makeup on my lace too much. I mean, for some cases I will, but very rare these days. Like with these kind of laces, especially when you want to like rock your natural face, no makeup and stuff, I hate seeing makeup residue on the lace. So I feel like when you have a really good lace, you don't have to necessarily put makeup on it. It all depends on you and probably how you installed it and stuff. But the Swiss lace, no makeup. So you see how seamless this is looking here. There's absolutely no makeup on the lace to help blend it in further at all. As you can see, I went ahead and parted. Oh, I'm doing a center part actually, and that super light part you're seeing is my wig cap beneath the wig. So camouflage that line and use some concealer right here to kind of blend everything in and make it look more, you know, seamless, make it look good. I also went on to straightening the hair with my flat iron, and yeah, really not much to this part, you know, it's pretty much ABC 1 2 3. I just ran that through it, and the hair feels really good. I must say the texture feels really good. So I'm super, super, super impressed with that. So I'm through with this wig, guys. So you saw your girl did not do any swoops today, apart from my sideburns, which I definitely could have done without doing them. Yeah, I know. But you know, I was like, let me do them. So you saw the hairline. Like, this hairline get a 20 out of 10. Geniuswigs, honestly, I can't complain with Geniuswigs, you know. Like, I always get good quality from them, no matter what. From the versatile wigs, a lot of versatile wigs that I've gotten from Geniuswigs, they do that well. But I must tell you, like, I really have to shout them out for this bomb lace, this bomb crystal lace. I show you guys all the pros of this lace. Only thing I can say is just be gentle all in all. Even though it's the more durable kind, still be gentle. You don't want to risk stretching out your lace and stuff like that. It's very much realistic. This is the kind of wig you wear, or this is the kind of lace you want when you're going for like that occasion and you want to look timeless. You want to look very natural. You want, when you take those pictures, they're timeless, they look flawless. When people look at it, they're not gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's a wig. They're probably going to think it's just a sewing or something, or it's your hair. Like, it looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. There's no harsh demarcation or anything. It's nicely graduated, and it's not too deeply graduated either. It's just right. Like, it looks really good. The hair is very silky, it's very flowy, it looks good. I give it a 10. Like, oh, it's really nice. Very, 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 very minimal shading light right now. I'm not getting anything. Like, when I run my hands through it, it looks super, super good. So shout out to them for that. As usual, you guys know I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out if you're interested to shop this. You know, if you have your wedding coming up, if you have your birthday coming up, a graduation, just any occasion at all that you wish to wear something like this, go ahead and shop it. And I know a lot of my chicas love a nice straight texture, so yeah, I love this lace. I absolutely love this lace. So shout out to them once more. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this was informative to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wig up on yourself.